In today's video, I wanted to show you my Lego Halloween storage heads. I got the small pumpkin and the small skeleton from their website. The price was $14.99 in Canadian dollars. I saw them for $9.99 in the United States. There is also a green skeleton, but I don't love him that much and I only needed two.
Sorry.
They're also available in mini and large sizes, but I think that the small ones are pretty big. They are 7 inches high and 6 inches in diameter. They have a removable lid and they are food safe, so you can use them for a Halloween party with spooky treats. Of course, store your Lego bricks. Have them as cookie or snack jars in your kitchen. Organize your office space if you need more spooky decor. The choice is yours. What I really love about them, besides being gorgeous, is that they are stackable. I'm using them in my craft room, and instead of putting beautiful craft supply, I'm being boring as hell with disposable gloves and cleaning wipes for glasses. This is what I need on my desk on a regular basis. Let me know which one is your favorite and what would you store inside of it. Personally, the white skeleton has a special place in my heart because of Lego Fortnite. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day. Bye.